Check it out. We have a swan nesting with a geese next to her. And the male swan isn't around. As you can see, it's a beautiful day. Look at how close that geese is to the swan and her nest. It's amazing that she's letting him or her come so close while she's nesting. But until the male comes back, we won't know what's gonna happen. But I've been here for almost 2 hours, and when I first came here, she was nesting by herself. So I went and got my camera, and when I came back, there was the geese next to her, and I thought, well, that's weird, because the male's around somewhere, we just don't know where he is. But to see a geese that close to a female swan while she's nesting is very, very rare. This is probably the only time you will ever see this in nature. She's on her baby. She has not moved since I've been here. She's very pretty, but it's hard to see her face from the distance I'm videotaping her because she's on the other side of the water, and I don't want to get too close and, you know, distract her, but, you know, I was hoping that the male would come by and say, hey, what's going on here? Why are you next to my woman when I'm not away? Especially a geese. This is unheard of. But this is beautiful. It's nice out, probably about 70. You figure the end of April, she's starting to have her brood of swans. And trust me, I will get the videos of the babies. So if you want to subscribe to my channel, please click on it, and I'll continue to show you these videos as long as she's nesting. So maybe the next time I'll show you a video with him and her, and the geese will be gone, I'm pretty sure. But, you know, maybe I can catch the geese coming by. I don't know. But if you want to see more, please subscribe. I need the views. This is a beautiful day to be alive in nature and get a glimpse of something you very, very, very rarely get to see in life. Till next time, be safe, wear your face mask, and pray. Bye for now.